Hi guys, every so often I get comments on my really old videos. I had a comment on one of my old rubber band powered car videos where I've been asked to make a rubber band powered car out of a toilet roll, or the cardboard tube from the centre of a toilet roll. So I answered that comment and I was looking at the video and I thought, now I've got a 3D printer. I could redesign it. Because on the original I used the pen tubes from disposable biros, ball pens, because I did a lot of my original videos like that, rubber band powered cars. I always used the plastic tubes from the ball pens, which wasn't very efficient, to be honest. They really didn't work that well. Anyway, 3D printer now, so I've 3D printed that to go on that end, and that to go on that end. The problem is it's a very short tube, so you're not going to get much of a rubber band in there to get much distance with it. In keeping with the original video though, I am going to use CDs for wheels, ones that I've used on previous models, just to demonstrate. That's a plastic bottle top from milk, hot glued onto there with the barbecue skewer pushed through the middle. That's the plastic bottle top off of probably a soda bottle or Coke or whatever. Same there. That one's actually the plastic top off one of those cardboard drinks containers. It shouldn't be that loose on there, but as long as I use these as the front wheels, that won't matter. I could put a bit of tape around there just to thicken it up. These ones, same types of bottle tops, but instead of gluing them on, they're just sticky tape on them to hold them in place. There's actually a slight advantage in doing that, in that if you haven't got them quite right, you can move them around a little bit to try and center them up. I just need to clear those holes out a bit where there's a bit of support PLA in there. What about that one? Oh, that one looks okay. Yeah, I'll tidy them up and then we'll give it a go. I might put a bit of tape on there just to stop that falling off as it goes along. Obviously, that particular design is only any good for that particular size cardboard tube, because they're not all the same size in toilet rolls. Some of them are bigger and some of them are smaller. I just found I got this pretty sticky tape, so I'll use that just to go around there and stop it falling off. Gosh, I don't know when I bought this. I got drawers full of stuff that I've never used. It's not very sticky. Well, that makes it look a bit prettier. Well, that really isn't very sticky. It's rubbish. Yes. I could wind it all the way along and make it look a bit prettier than a toilet roll. Yeah, it really isn't very sticky. Oh, there we go. That's a bit prettier. Oh, just had a thought. Are the wheels going to rub against each other? Cool, that one's a tight fit. I'll tidy that up in a minute. Right, more important, the wheels. Oh, what have I done with the other wheels? Oh, they're on the floor. I might have to space them a bit so they don't... Yeah, they'll touch otherwise. I'll put drinking straw spacers there just to make them a bit wider. Okay, I'll sort that out. Right, so I've added a couple of bits of drinking straw either side there so the wheels don't rub up against each other. I've also adjusted it that way a little bit so all four wheels touch the floor at the same time. So that's the back end. See how we get on with... Yeah, it's going to be more than enough, I think. Down through there. Push that through there. Need a hook or something to get hold of it. Okay, so we got it round the back axle so it goes over itself. Yeah, I didn't need that many rubber bands. Let's take that one off. Right, over there, hold it in place so it goes over itself. I haven't got a lot of room there to get my fingers in. Right, so it's holding itself in place. So how far is it going to go? And try it on the floor. not bad. I'll wind it up a bit more, see if we can hit the camera. Summary time. It works. It's over-designed, needlessly complicated for what it is. Just a toilet roll in the middle. But yeah, it works. Because you've got the rubber band going down inside the tube, it's difficult to get hold of. It disappears up inside there when you want to rewind it. And you haven't got much room to maneuver your fingers on the end there. I could have actually, well, I could have redesigned that shape entirely just to make that bit easier. But it works. So there'll be a link in the video description to the original video. I think it's probably 2013 or something like that. Pretty old. And somebody found it and commented on it.